severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Comanche County in southwestern Oklahoma, Garvin County in southern Oklahoma, southern Grady County in central Oklahoma, northern Stevens County in southern Oklahoma, northeastern Cotton County in southwestern Oklahoma, south central Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, southwestern McLean County in central Oklahoma, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 3 miles south of Lexington to 3 miles southwest of Bradley to near Fort Sill, moving southeast at 15 miles an hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-sized hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include northeastern Lawton, Duncan, Pauls Valley, Purcell, Marlow, Slaughterville, Lindsay, Elgin, Lexington, Stratford, Maysville, Rush Springs, Bray, Fletcher, Diggle, Sterling, Elmore City, Wayne, Washington, and Poway. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
TMR from Potawatomi County.
I'm not laughing about that. I'm laughing about something else.
Ooh.
Doubleheader.
National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for central Seminole County in east central Oklahoma, central Potawatomi County in central Oklahoma, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 5 miles southeast of Brooksville, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado and ping-pong ball-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Seminole, Tecumseh, Wewoka, Maud, Olegs, St. Louis, Brooksville, Lima, and Harjo. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Garvin County in southern Oklahoma, Seminole County in east central Oklahoma, southern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Pontotoc County in east central Oklahoma, Potawatomi County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Hughes County in southeastern Oklahoma, southeastern McLean County in central Oklahoma, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northwest of Meeker to 3 miles east of Pinkton near Slaughterville, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include southeastern Norman, Shawnee, Seminole, Tecumseh, Holdenville, Slaughterville, McLeod, Wewoka, Craig, Stratford, Kanawha, Atuka, Butte. At 7:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, although the rain has moved well away from the warning area, residual flooding is expected to continue through 8:30 p.m. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, train spotters reported. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include northwestern Oklahoma City, El Reno, Kingfisher, Piedmont, Hennessy, Okarche, Cashin, Calumet, Dover, Loyal, Concho, Omega, and Cedar Lake. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 109 and 123.
Yeah.
Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in
Just
vehicles.
curious.
Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
See where this storm from Kalawani, so I wonder if that's towards this area.
Northeastern Garvin County in southern Oklahoma, Seminole County in east central Oklahoma, southern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma.
Sorry about that.
Southeastern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Pontotoc County in east central
Central
Oklahoma,
Potawatomi,
Albany County in
if that's
central
even
Oklahoma,
towards this area.
County in
No, it's
southeastern
not.
Oklahoma,
This storm's moved past my area.
County in central Oklahoma until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Alright, because I got all curious for a second because I was about to post it. Because the deer alert was about ready to go up for that.
Of meters to 3 miles east of Pinkston near Slaughterville, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include southeastern Norman, Shawnee, Seminole, Tecumseh, Holdenville, Slaughterville, McLeod, Wewoka, Craig, Stratford, Kanawha, Atuka, Vine, Meeker, Maud, Earlsboro, Mullins, Tribute, and Winnett. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor
Oh
of a
man,
building.
this is already...
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning
I'm
for
already exhausted.
eastern Comanche County in southwestern Oklahoma, Garvin County in southern Oklahoma, southern Grady County in central Oklahoma, northern Stevens County
welcome back
in
there,
southern
Don.
Oklahoma, northeastern Cotton County in southwestern Oklahoma, south central Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, southwestern McLean County in central Oklahoma, until
What?
8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:41. 3 miles south of Lexington to 3 miles southwest of Bradley to near Fort Sale, moving southeast at 15 miles an hour. Expected hazards include golf ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat.
And I'm starting to have reception
The following
issues on my
impacts are
CNG.
expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured.
I guess the storm might be putting a lot of interference to the
Windows,
transmitters, I
vehicles.
guess.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include northeastern Lawton, Duncan,
I doubt your running stand would even pick any of this up.
Slaughterville, Lindsay, Elgin, Lexington, Stratford, Maysville, Rush Springs, Bray, Fletcher, Diggle, Sterling, Elmore City, Wayne, Washington, and Powley. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Tornado watch number 171 remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Oklahoma: Cleveland, Grady, Lincoln, McLean, and Potawatomi. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions.
Sounds like the more reception issues.
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
My running snail's on channel 1. Will it pick it up?
I can't pick anything up with that.
Roundings and do not drive on flooded roads. What? Flooding close to the what?
A lot of reception issues I hear with that running snail.
Areas. Over roadways. Additional details at 7:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time. In areas of heavy rain, minor flooding will occur.
Surprised it still can get WXK85, but it's having trouble with KJY95 and Wewoka.
That's a picture of the running snail.
But considering this thing's a piece of shit, I'm just gonna throw it in my bed. Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna come get it later. Fucking freaks.
Yeah, the radio abuse me, what?
No. Just imagine me taking a sledgehammer to my running snail. I mean, what?
Gosh, that would have pissed off Nicholas like no tomorrow.
Why?
Because he says, why destroy a working radio? Because Herman says, a working radio, and then just, oh yeah, I'm going to take it and sledgehammer to it, and just pound it like a pound of mine, and then it's technical difficulties. That's what Nicholas said.
Or just do some sort of punishment day for it. Not destroy the radio, but give it, like, a head graffiti
Doing that?
with Sharpie and stuff like that.
Tape it. Tape it.
God, what I can imagine the play would be like.
Put some Sharpie on it.
Clay
Or
Ranger
maybe try
143.
sending it. Or maybe try to.
Smash it with a hammer.
That would piss off Nicholas.
Maybe Nicholas want to participate with me or something like that. Not on the smashing part. Not on the smashing, but the just punishing it.
Sometimes what they do is called the closet of shame.
It's a. I'm going to say the F word about it. Failure. Because it's a great big failure.
Oh, thank God. I thought you were going to say the other F word.
Like someone's been listening to this. Someone's been listening to those phrases.
Did I piss off Running Snail?
Yeah.
Lol. It can go suck my. You know what? Never mind.
Yeah, you don't want to piss off my face.
My Running Snail can't even get pissed off because it's a rotary dial radio.
Because I still remember was watching someone smash a 74-109 that wasn't working.
Nicholas had to go
It's
on a
funny.
rant on that.
His 74-109 was watching his 74-109 was watching it all. Whoa. Continues TOR for Potawatomi, Sonoma. It's a PDS now.
What?
What?
Holy shit!
TOR.
Holy shit! That came out of fucking nowhere. Concerning we're in a moderate risk. We have a moderate risk to the north, but nothing happened. Guess what? It hits Potawatomi County. It decides, oh yeah, we're gonna put a fucking large tornado and see how you like it.
And away.
I think Paradox crashed.
Baby.
Baby, oh.
I guess it was a storm that went over Twister's area
Yeah.
that dropped a large tornado.
Huh, what's next? The destructive SBR?
Lucky that is.
Oh, God, no. Oh, fuck no. Next thing you know, you might get a tornado emergency.
Who knows?
Actually, that would be me. How the fuck is this even supposed to be happening?
Close to the launch area. Lots of hits in the past. First institution for rapidly changing weather conditions and was the later statement in possible warning. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, current radio intelligence out there. And for information.
Huh, I didn't know we had a Lima, Oklahoma. Lima beans.
Tulsa continues SVRs with tornado possible.
Tulsa can go. Bah.
Tiny size report.
Miles west of Quetta to Preston to 7 miles.
This stream is currently inactive. Please check later for availability. The stream selector will now advance to the next stream on the station list.
Impact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind.
Expect wind damage. I mean, what?
Oh, jeez.
Oh god. St. Louis with objects.
It could be Paducah, though. It can either be St. Louis or Paducah that could have butchered it.
Oh yeah, Norman likes to butcher objects with objects.
Norman was guilty of that, too.
Instead of saying objects, it says objects. Made it sound like noobjects. I mean, what?
Oh, jeez.
RGs? Okay, I think John must have gotten the blue screen to death at that point.
I'm still here.
John's brain literally probably
Is this
blue
my
screen.
computer?
The-
No, I haven't got a blue screen. It's just I think my computer's having a stroke.
Huh. Just like me and
Korean
Savage on a
warnings no
daily
longer-
basis.
Cancel Potawatomi.
Still
I'm looking
PDS.
on my server and Twister. I'm looking on my server and someone posted something funny.
Oh god, no. Where is it at?
It's in one of the roleplay channels.
Roleplay channels?
Yeah, my friend helped me organize the server.
Which one? There's
It's
so
under
many.
other. Have you checked Bella's apartment? Because that's where it is. You can type in there, I don't mind.
Shit, piss, bug, cock, pee pee, wiener, butthole, wee wee, suck, fart, fairy, hair.
Not appropriate.
Test.
What the heck, Leah?
What?
Oh my god. And Ohio is returned.
Oh, the bitch from Cleveland.
And she left. Just as soon as we said it.
She just joined and then left.
It's still PDS, but no longer in Potawatomi.
Let's steal a PDS. I bet they're gonna tone another PDS tornado warning. Or worse.
Holsa might get involved though.
What was that?
That was me.
The bowl.
Just throws my fork at the table, and that's it. And I can't fucking speak today.
Twister, look in DMs.
And what?
Look, I put something in your DMs.
I don't see it.
I wish you a happy an early birthday, and then I put a gif of the Powerpuff Girls there.
Dun dun.
Are you sure you can't see it? Because I can see it.
There we go. Alright.
It's because your internet.
Now what do they want?
Now I got it.
Area forecast.
Wait. Oh, never mind.
I'm just spamming images of ducks because I can.
I'm just gonna do this. Spammity spam because I feel like it. I got a feeling I'm gonna crash Discord.
Sister, look what I put in spamity spam.
I saw it. Oh man, keep. Sorry, I feel like it. Imagine spamming gifts.
Fran just posted another one.
Posted another. What the? Yeah.
I'm gonna do
Caught
it
in
again.
4K. You're not slick, John. I caught you in 4K.
Oh god. So did you get involved? Should be involved.
Oh my god.
It's right?
Yeah.
I will not let it go to the credits.
Let it go. Let it go. Just kidding. Fuck no.
I'm gonna spam.
What is? Oh, of course. The 6 slits that could get me demonetized. We're on. Hey guys, I'm on the only place that has 6 slits that could get me demonetized.
I'm just gonna spam Danny Hamlin because I feel like it.
It's Discord. Skinners. Oh, you spammed a Star Trek book.
Well, wait, I'm an admin, so you can't tell me to chill.
Use TOR, PDS.
Oh god, that's a curse.
Oh man.
Softball size hail. Dun 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 dun.
And there's a grapefruit thread as well. Or there's a grapefruit report.
Dun 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 dun. Redneck ham warmer. My phone.